know, today is Friday and it's grocery time. We're finished with the grocery
I am finished with the grocery.
because there is a rule in
Duchess
Flensburg.
did nothing.
There is a rule in Flensburg that only one member of the household should buy some groceries, and I always follow the law or the rule of law. Okay? Regardless. So, ito na po yung mga pinimali natin. We have beer, my favorite cheese.
Das ist Berliner Luft.
This is Berliner Luft.
Pfefferminzlikör.
Ayan, tunggaero po ang ating sir. Manginginom. Manginginom. And his favorite, because I'm not eating this one, shrimp.
Gib her. Das wird
That shrimp. We also have Lux. Lux. Ayan, Lux. What do you call Lux of English? Salmon. Yeah.
Salomon.
So we have salmon here. 2 salmon.
Den kannst du hinlegen.
Essen wir das?
Ja.
Okay. We also have, this is for bread for early in the morning. Okay, and another cheese. Another cheese. I'll show myself. No, si sir makikita. We have Putin or turkey. Ayan. And this is a Kartoffeln or potato. Ito yung favorite ng mga Germans. Okay? Favorite nila yan.
Kartoffelpuffer.
Yeah. We also have this aioli classic. Masarap to sa mga chips. Kung ikaw ay isang chip,
Kannst du auch Brot machen. Kannst du auch
Butter.
Brot essen.
Butter.
Butter.
And surprise, tuna, and it is made in the Philippines. Product of the Philippines.
Ja, das kannst du wegpacken.
Yeah. We have M&M's. I don't know. We have our HOHC. Ibig sabihin, mataas na vitamin C.
Gib her.
So I...
Ja, einmal milde Multivitamin und einmal immun mit Zink.
Yeah, zinc is very good for your immune system.
Genau.
Can I see that? Can I have the multivitamin, please? The multivitamin is color yellow. We also have our, spinach. Love na love to ni Papay.
Ja, den brauche ich gleich.
Yeah. And then we have milk. I normally do not drink milk because, Asians, it's not part of our diet. We also have
Noch
remoulade. Yeah, another milk. This is good for your bread. Oh my God. I love that one. So, we also have some fresh stuff na binili. We have carrots. This one isn't old already. An old banana. Hindi niya pa kinakain. I ate mine already. Oh, I love this. Celery. Sibuyas.
Karotten sind frisch, die habe ich gestern gekauft.
Sibuyas, yeah, tama. Bell pepper.
Tomato.
Tomatoes. Ayan,
Das ist
I love
letzter.
tomatoes. And yung bread namin. Okay, so we have everything. So, ayan. We have my favorite. Itong kinakain ko parati. Tuna. Tuna plus pancit. This is product from the Philippines. That's why I'm always buying this one. Actually,
Hast du schon gesagt.
2 years ko na siyang kinakain. But, I never really know. Ng product pala siya sa Philippines. So, this is from Davao, I think. So, we have sprouted mongo. And then we have stuff for my pasta and so on. Oh, I still have my makapuno here. Why do I have makapuno?
Weil ich die gekauft habe.
Nikafat ka dyan.
Ja, als ich das letzte Mal bei Adion.
So we have other stuff here. I cannot really take it out kasi marami sila. So, below to ng refrigerator. Not really refrigerator. What's inside? Da-dang! Hot dog. Puno po siya. That's why I cannot really take it all out. Kasi magkakalat lang ako. We have the butters over there. Yung mga sauce na hindi namin inaano. And the frozen vegetables. And other stuff over there. Yeah? We also have the favorite of the Germans, potatoes. And other stuff din na favorite ng mga Germans. And we have our juice na binili ko dun sa Asian, I cannot really take it all out. Kasi madami sila. Also have this pang linis sa ating spülmaschine for our dishwasher. Ayan siya, si Mr. Dishwasher. And to clean the water ng ating dishwasher. Yeah. My orange. Hindi bumili si Sir ng orange. Oh, may nag-skate doon. Oh. Huh. And this is my water. Yan ang iniinom kong water. I don't drink water, tap water. And I have my noodles here and other cans. Ayan. So just in case na gusto kong kumain ng ibang food, it's also here. Kaya nga nakahanda kami sa lockdown before coronavirus pa. I have my pancit over there na binili ko. Coconut milk when I need one. When I need Thai soup, it's also here. And other stuff na nandiyan dyan na nakatago lang, all canned. And mahinanda na rin ako for my Bentalog Argentina. And this is the Philippine corned beef, Bentalog Argentina. Kasi diba, you requested for Bentalog. I also have the coconut milk. Dito ko lang siya nakatago kasi tinamad na ako. And have my piatos. Piatos. Ayan. Not too late. So, abangan natin ang ating pagmumukbang. I just need one more thing, hot dog. At magsasagang tayo ng rice. Okay? Today. So, after na bumili, this is our routine. Normally, every Friday, we will eat early kasi early umuwi si Sir. Oh, we don't eat the skin of the salmon, of our salmon. The social will call it salmon, but we can call it salmon. Salmon.
Das machen wir schon, wenn wir das nämlich braten. Das merkst du gar nicht. Das ist nämlich das Krusche da drunter.
Yeah, I don't
das
eat
ist
it.
lecker.
But I don't eat it. Ew.
Aber das brauche ich jetzt als reine Fisch. Da kommt auch noch eine Dose Thunfisch rein. Und das mit den Nudeln zusammen.
Sagst du bitte auf Englisch?
Kann kein Englisch.
So this is our spinach and lox. My favorite fish is lox. And the second most favorite is tuna. Kaya, ayan. Kasi ang sarap ng lox. But I really don't like the skin of the fish. Same with the skin ng pig. Ayoko rin nun. I'm not a fan of, skin. Skin disease. Charing. So, ayan.
Wenn es schön fett ist das lecker.
Mm.
Und schön gebraten ist das lecker.
I've decided that we will cook pasta instead. Pasta with salmon or lax. So, numero uno, Barilla Capellini numero uno. Fascista. Ay, don't move. Why is it not clear?
Too close.
So, ayan. Sabi nila, Kochzeit 3 Minuten. So, you can cook the pasta in 3 minutes. Barilla. Time to cook our pasta. And what are the things that we need? We need, of course, water. We need to boil the water for our pasta. We also need tuna or tunfish and our salmon. Then we will be needing lauch or leek in English. So you can slice it and isama mo siya or you mix it with our fish. Please, I'm using olive oil, so you can use also different types of oil, vegetable oil, or so on. You can also heat your spinach, Papa's favorite, since frozen siya. So I'm now trying to warm it up or heating it up. So now my fish is finished. Then you can put pepper and salt sa ating spinach. And then yung sauce natin is finished. Now we'll just wait for the pasta. So cooking time for our pasta is 3 minutes. So we wait and then dinner is almost ready. If you're interested about this recipe, I will put it sa description down below. Alright? So I hope that you will also try my pasta with tuna and lux or salmon. Time to eat. We will have our dinner before 6 o'clock in the evening this Friday. So guten appetit, bon appetit, enjoy your meal. This is your Duchess of Bugao simply saying au revoir, auf Wiedersehen, hasta mañana at hanggang sa muli. El chula es vida. Ciao!